Hey, hello. If you are a trader, please don't skip this video because I have solution to your problem. I have what you have been looking for. If I don't have what you have been looking for, I will not tell you I have what you have been looking for. So just give me some minutes, just few minutes, and let me tell you what I have for you. Anyway, in case you don't know me, my name is Michael, the selfless strategic trader. All right, see, I just want to tell you something that is very important because many people used to look up and down, they search up and down looking for the green pasture for trading. But there are some things that they actually lack. There are some things they're supposed to know, but they lack the knowledge. Let me start with this. We have many people that are telling you, come for my mentorship, let me teach you how to trade, let me do this, let me do that, and the thing they will start flashing you is blues. You'll be seeing blues everywhere, and when you see blues everywhere, you'll be seeing one lot size. That's very funny. You will see one lot size on a trade, and when you see one lot size or two or three lot size on a trade, you will be seeing blues. You'll be seeing a big amount of money. Are you getting what I'm saying now? So when you see big amount of money, you will be carried away. Meanwhile, the first thing you're supposed to check is how many people generated this money for them. How many pips generated this money for them? Because if you cannot learn, or if you don't know how to catch big pips, you are going to struggle because you don't have a trading account that is equal to their own account, whereby you can trade 10 pips and you have a very good reward, and when you are going to lose, you will lose more than what you gained because you don't know how to catch big pips, and because you don't even have enough accounts to trade the lot size they trade. I'm going to show you a mystery. Just stay tuned to this video. I'm going to show you what I do and what I offer, and I'm not asking you to pay me because I have to say something. If free does not work for you, then paid may not even work. I get what I'm talking about now. But first of all, I just have to build your confidence on something that is very important. This is a trade going on right now, and you know USD/JPY, it's a very sluggish pair. When I mean sluggish, it's a very sluggish pair because it's one of the pairs that is meant for newbies in trading because it's not volatile. Yes, it's not what? It's not volatile. We have Euro USD. Euro USD is not volatile. See, I don't want to talk too much. Let me just show you what I want to show you on time. All right, see, this is a trade going on here. This is how many pips. Let's calculate the pips together right now. From the bottom to the top, this is 1,600 awards. It has gone 1,638 pips. 1,638 pips. See, if you use lot size of 0.01, which is the minimum lot size, then you are able to cash this kind of pips. You are going to double and triple and for whatsoever pool you want to pull with your account because you have the knowledge to cash big pips like this. You will not think maybe because we are able to cash one pips and one big pips like this, then we want to pride in it. No, that's not what we are talking about here. Let me show you some other things that you need to know and you need to see for yourself in order to build confidence in what we are talking about. This is about you learning and knowing what is right. Do you understand? All right, so this is a trade that is running and it has been running for a while, and mind you, all these trades we have taken profit, a lot of profit from them. This is Euro USD, another sluggish pair, and we are able to generate how many pips from this current trade? We've generated 1,261 pips. 1,261 pips from this trade. Let's assume you have $10 or $50 account. The first trade you're able to generate for yourself 1,600 plus and 1,600 plus pips, and the second one you're able to generate another 1,200 pips. Please do the calculation for yourself. You will now think, oh well, I understand that kind of thing. Let me show you some other things you need to know so that you will build your confidence again. If I show you a trade on USD ZAR, you can see USD ZAR right here. If I show you this trade now, you will be, USD ZAR now, it's a very volatile pair. When I mean volatile, it's a very volatile pair. The reason why we are not, if you backward the video again and you see the trend in the video, you will see that we have no reason to close these trades. We have no what? We have, in fact, let me do something that is very important right now. We have no reason to close these trades because the trend is very strong. The trend is what? The trend is very strong. See, trading is about buying and selling. If you are buying, you don't have to sell when it has not gotten to the time for you to sell. Are you getting me? So you sell when price is high, you buy when price is low. That is what they used to tell you. But there is concepts to this thing. In fact, there are concepts, there are approaches to this thing. There are concepts to these things. Yes. See, you don't just buy because you want to buy. Don't just sell because you want to sell. You don't just close a buy because you have been buying, or you want to close a sell because you have been selling. I have series of trades that I can show you in this manner that is going on currently. Live trades like this. But I cannot be showing us. I will be wasting our time. I will just tell us what to do right now. Because I told us something now. I said if free is not what does not work, then paid may not work. But I want to tell you again that on this channel, we don't trade anything less than 100 pips. Whether you are my mentee or you are just a subscriber, we don't trade anything less than what? Anything less than 100 pips. Yes, we don't trade anything less than 100 pips. So if you want to learn this concept, I will show you the things to do. But let me take you to the inner chamber. Yes, the inner chamber. This is our Telegram channel. Yes, this is our Telegram channel. And this Telegram channel, now you can just come here and click on this search icon. Click on that search. When you click on search, type hash results without s, result without what, without s, then search. When you type hash and results without, you can just press this, or you press here. So when you click here or you click here, this will take you to this page, and you will be able to see or preview all the results we have on this platform. It's not even all the result, parts of the result that we have on this platform. And another thing we do on this platform is that we have grown small accounts to become a big account. When I mean small accounts, we've traded with $1 before, we grew it. We've traded with $2 before, we grew it. We traded with $14 before, we grew it. We've traded with $15 before, we grew it. We've traded with $9 before, we grew it. The reason why we are able to grow all these things is because we are able to show you that the problem you are having is not the money. The problem you are having is how to catch big pips. When you know how to catch big pips, it will be very easy for you to grow a small trading account. Because if you don't know how to grow a small trading account, see, I'm assuring you, you cannot grow a big account if you don't have a strategy or that is working for you. Yes, if you don't have a strategy that is working for you. So if you check all these things now, you will see that we don't catch anything less than 100 pips, and we have grown series of accounts on this platform. See, let me show you another thing that is very important right now. This same place, if you click here, after clicking here, just type hash and then testimony. Please mind my spelling. Mind my spelling. Spell is the way I spelled it. Testimony. Then you search. So when you search testimony, you see the testimonies of people. Yes, people that have used our strategy, and both free and paid. See, I may not be able to cover the testimony. I just pick some, and I just But if you can go through the channel, you will see everything on the channel. Yes, we see everything on the channel. How did we get here? That is another question. How did we get here? Please just stay close to me and let me show you something very important right now. When you come to our YouTube channel, just click on this playlist. Click on playlist. When you click on playlist, you will see our playlist here. If you go through this playlist, I'm assuring you, your result is going to see your trading mentality. Your mentality is going to shift. It's going to what? It's going to shift. It's going to shift. The reason why many people are still struggling is because they don't take time to check to go through the materials that they see on a channel or a platform that is working. Yes, when you dedicate your time, it's going to what? It's going to pay off. And if you want to cut the journey short, that is when you can now start talking about my mentorship program. Because in my mentorship program, after you've been taught how to grow a small trading account like this, you are going to be shown how to actually use trading to become a full-time trader. If you want to become a full-time trader, yes, so you are going to be taught how to become a full-time trader. If you come to this particular playlist is going to show you some strategies that have been released on this platform before. So when you go through those strategies and you implement them, see, those are the free strategies. I'm assuring you they are going to work for you, because you also need money to pay for the premium strategy. So on the premium strategy, we are going to give you and access to the platform we use that will help you to trade $25,000 accounts, that will help you to trade $15,000 account with just small money. Yes, when I mean small money as low as $100 or $150 to get this platform. So these are the firms we work with in order to make sure our trainees, our mentees are able to obtain financial freedom. The reason for this, and we don't just give this to them, we make sure that you've gained mastery in what you do. So when you've gained mastery in what you do, then we will give you access to this platform for you to trade. Because for how long do you want to be trading $50, your $10, your $20 accounts in order for you to make a living? No, see, that is the purpose of these things. And also, you'll be taught how to trade with confidence, how to trade news, how to trade anything, volatility indices, how to trade boom and crash, how to trade Forex, how to trade stock, or whatsoever thing anything that has charts. Yes, anything that has chart. Because the premium mentorship, what we do is full price action. Yes, when I mean full price action, I mean understanding the anatomy of the candlestick, our own approach to the market. You know everything. When you understand all this, you can trade anything that has chart. When I mean that has chart, I mean anything that has chart. just make sure you follow the instructions that you are given. Your trading will shift. You can trade with bank. You can apply to be a trader in a bank or any institution. See, when I told you that we are going to give you we are going to give you an access to one of the institutions that we use. Yes, it's because you have been groomed. It's because you have been fortified. Is that how they say it, right? It's because you have been trained to gain mastery. Then a platform is now opened onto you. The same thing with everything, like whatsoever thing she wants to do. So this is the reason why you have to stay tuned on this channel. If you open all this thing, you will see all that we've grown different accounts. I mean different accounts. We can see $1, $2, $1. Like we grew $10 to $500, $30 to $200, and all those things. So if you are able to check all these things that are uploaded here, it will give you knowledge. It will give you knowledge about what you need to know. But if you don't want to take the stress of going through all these things, you can come for the premium, because what we offer in premium is even far more than this. Yeah, it's far more than this, because all these things are just for people to be able to access the charts, to be able to trade successfully, and also for them to be able to make at least money that will make them to pay for the premium, even though the premium is very cheap. But some people don't have the money, but some people don't even have money at all. Yes, and don't borrow money to trade. It is very important. All right, see, we cannot be talking and we cannot be talking. In fact, I have some other trades that I wanted to show to us, some trades that are running 400 pips, 500 pips, and all that. But see, just go to the Telegram channel, you will understand what I'm talking about. This is your guy, Michael, the selfless strategic trader. See reason you should subscribe to this channel, and your knowledge is going to what? It's going to be skyrocketed. Like you are going to learn more. You are going to learn. When I mean you will learn more, I mean you are going to learn more. And do well to join our Telegram and our WhatsApp group. Yes, Telegram and WhatsApp group. Group 1 for the WhatsApp is full. Another group is going to be open, and everything is going to be attached to the link below this video, or you check the video description or the channel description. Everything is going to be there. Shares for you to be able to join. Message me anything you want to know. Let me know. I am here and I am available for you. This is your guy, Michael, the selfless strategic trader, and I pray that the Lord give you more understanding, more wisdom, more knowledge, and it's going to increase you in all areas of your life. It is very important. We put God first in everything we do. All right, guys, catch ya. Bye bye.